up a food stand. I thought she was in jail for setting off fireworks at the zoo. She's not on parole. We should go check up on her. Morning, Spark.
Good morning, officers. Are you guys hungry?
We're good. You staying out of trouble?
Absolutely. This hot dog stand has been so amazing and given me a great outlet to channel my powers. Who knew a crime-free lifestyle could be so fulfilling? You want to try? It's called my extra hot dog.
No, thanks. I just ate. Well, we're glad to see that you've found a hobby that isn't technically arson. Just be careful with the fire, okay? Yeah, it's already hot enough outside today.
Need a little something to cool you off? You gotta be kidding me.
Take your pick. I've got all the frozen treats your heart could desire.
The ice cream sandwich? Yeah. We'll take 2 ice cream sandwiches, please.
You got it.
Thank you. You really are the expert of all things frozen, huh? Yeah, like you're the expert of all bad puns. This is seriously the best ice cream sandwich I have ever had. I can tell. You know, we should go back tomorrow. I want to try one of those popsicles. You know, it wouldn't be a bad idea to check up on the Spark, too. You really think her burnt food business will keep her out of trouble? It might. I mean, as long as she keeps that fiery temper in check.
Oh, hey neighbor. My name's Elf.
I know you. I've seen the movie.
Okay, can I get you anything? I just ran out of chocolate. But
I want a chocolate cone.
Okay, I have to run home and grab some.
I can wait.
Okay, then I'll be right back. Ma'am, I have your chocolate ice cream. Ma'am?
Go fish. Go fish. I thought we were playing blackjack. 911. What's your emergency? Elsa, calm down. I can't understand you. Okay, we'll be there in a minute. Looks like we'll be going to the ice cream stand sooner than we thought. Do you want to get popsicles? I wouldn't get your hopes up.
I came back and they were all melted.
You sure your fridge didn't stop working?
Positive. And even if it did, I was only gone 5 minutes, so there's no way they could have melted that quickly.
Okay, well, I wouldn't be so sure because in this weather, you can fry an egg on the sidewalk. It's that hot.
Well, I highly doubt the weather has anything to do with this.
Howdy, officers. Decided you wanted something?
Not exactly, but you wouldn't happen to know what happened to Elsa's popsicles, would you?
Not a clue. You know, frozen things aren't really my thing.
Well, they aren't frozen anymore, thanks to you.
Cool it, Elsa. I didn't touch your little popsicles, okay?
Don't you tell me to.
Okay, Elsa, calm down.
Yeah, Elsa, chill.
Okay, we have to take the popsicles back to the station and dust them for fingerprints to confirm who did this. Until then, you two keep the peace and leave each other be. Capiche?
Capiche.
We'll call you when we have the results.
Hey, Elsa, you want a burger? All right, you don't have to give me the cold shoulder.
Oops.
Bring it on, Ice Queen.
I mean, why would the Spark do do that. It really seemed like she changed for the better.
Jenkins! That is evidence!
Sorry, but this would make a pretty tasty beverage.
911, what's your emergency? Freeze! Come on, not literally.
Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to. The spark started it.
I did not. Ladies, enough! Spark, your fingerprints were on those popsicles. We knew you were the one who melted them. Huh. And Elsa, I had many witnesses say you were the one who started the fight because you shot one of your ice beams at the spark. Now that we know what really happened, what do you two have to say to each other? I'm sorry I melted your popsicles, Elsa. I just got really jealous when everyone liked your ice cream more than they liked my food.
I forgive you, and I'm sorry I got back at you with my ice beam. And Officer Jenkins, I'm sorry for freezing you too.
Apology accepted. You know, you two would make a pretty good team. With your fire and ice power, this melted popsicle juice is actually pretty good.
Popsicle juice! Come get your popsicle juice! This is so much fun.
I know.
Not bad, Jenkins.